So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to fade out text here in Alight Motion. So first and foremost, add some text. Press the plus icon in the bottom right, then press text, and I will type in fade out, just like that. I'll change the font, I'll change the size of the font, and I'll make it pink, just so you guys can see. So if you wanted to fade this out, first and foremost, it actually just froze once again, which is wonderful. No, it didn't. If you want to fade this out, I'm just going to go ahead and make this a little bit shorter, just like this. So if I were to play the video, it's a little bit shorter. Press the text right here, go to the bottom right, select Effects, then press Add Effect, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says Opacity and Visibility. And then where it says fade in slash fade out, select that, and then press standard settings. And then where it says out right here, you can go ahead and fade it out like this. So if I were to play the video just like this, it fades in and then fades out. So if I wanted to make no fade in just like that, and it fades out, you can play around with it just like that. So that's how you guys can add fade out to text here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.